How to make a post private. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove your public post to a private. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and go to your profile by click on those three lines or click on your profile icon. Now all you need to do is click on one of your posts that you want to turn on to make it private. Just click on those 3 points beside the post like this, and now they're gonna show you these options. All you need to do is click on edit privacy, and here you can make your post public, or just your friends, or friends accept someone on, or your only you can see this post to make it private. And this is it. This is how you make your post private. Don't forget to like and subscribe.